In the world of photography and videography, the trend of 360-degree cameras has been growing rapidly over the years. 360-degree cameras are designed to capture every angle of an environment in one shot. This technology has revolutionized the way people capture their memories and experiences. Insta360 is one of the leading brands in the 360-degree camera industry, and the Insta360 X3 is one of their most popular and advanced cameras. In this video, we will discuss the features, benefits, and drawbacks of the Insta360 X3. Let's get started. Design. The Insta360 X3 is a compact camera that measures 4.8 x 4.8 x 12 centimeters and weighs just 112 grams. It is made of high-quality plastic with a matte finish that feels premium in hand. The camera's lens is located at the top, and it rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to capture footage in any direction. On the side of the camera, there is a power button and a small LCD that displays the camera's mode, battery level, and storage space. The camera also comes with a removable battery that provides up to 70 minutes of continuous recording time. There is also a USB-C port for charging the camera and transferring files. The Insta360 X3 comes with a tripod stand that attaches to the camera's base, making it easy to stabilize the camera when taking photos or recording videos. Additionally, the camera has a 1/4 thread on the bottom that allows you to mount it on a variety of accessories such as selfie sticks, tripods, and helmets. Features: 360-degree footage. One of the most impressive features of the Insta360 X3 is its ability to capture 360-degree footage. With a wide-angle lens and the ability to capture images at every angle, the camera allows you to capture a full view of your surroundings. Stabilization. The Insta360 X3 features a 6-axis gyroscopic stabilization system that ensures smooth and stable footage, even when the camera is moving. This feature is particularly useful for capturing fast-paced action scenes or vlogs. High-quality imaging. The camera features a 1/2 3-inch CMOS sensor that can capture 18-megapixel photos and 5.7K video at 30 fps. The high-quality imaging allows you to capture stunning and detailed footage. Portable design. The Insta360 X3 is a compact and portable camera that can easily fit in your pocket. The camera comes with a built-in battery that can last up to 60 minutes of continuous shooting, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Live streaming. The camera can also be used for live streaming your experiences in real time. You can use the camera to share your content on social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. App integration. The Insta360 X3 comes with an app that you can use to edit and share your content. The app allows you to add filters, effects, and music to your footage, making it easy to create professional-looking content. Compatibility. The camera is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. In addition to the above-mentioned features, the Insta360 X3 also comes with a range of shooting modes that allow you to capture different types of content. The camera features a free capture mode that allows you to capture 360-degree footage and then edit it into a traditional flat video. This mode is particularly useful if you want to highlight a particular aspect of the footage or if you want to share the content on a platform that doesn't support 360-degree videos. The camera also features a bullet time mode that allows you to capture slow-motion footage while swinging the camera around your head. This mode is particularly useful for creating dramatic and visually stunning shots. The Insta360 X3 also comes with a range of accessories that allow you to customize the camera to suit your needs. The camera features a standard tripod mount, which allows you to attach the camera to a tripod or other accessories. Additionally, the camera comes with a selfie stick that allows you to capture shots from a distance. The camera is also waterproof up to a depth of 10 meters, making it ideal for capturing footage while swimming or engaging in water sports. The camera is also dust-proof and shockproof, making it durable and rugged enough to handle outdoor adventures. The Insta360 X3 app is also a powerful tool that allows you to edit and share your footage easily. The app allows you to trim and edit your footage, add music, and apply filters and effects to your shots. Additionally, the app allows you to share your footage on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram directly from the app. One of the key advantages of the Insta360 X3 is its ease of use. The camera is straightforward to set up and use, making it ideal for beginners who are new to 360-degree cameras. The camera's intuitive controls and user-friendly app make it easy to capture and share stunning content. Benefits of Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 offers a range of benefits for users who want to capture immersive content. Here are some of the key benefits of the Insta360 X3. Immersive content. The Insta360 X3 allows users to capture immersive 360-degree content that offers a full view of their surroundings. This type of content is particularly useful for capturing landscapes, cityscapes, and other panoramic shots. Versatile shooting modes. The camera features a range of shooting modes, including free capture and bullet time, which allow users to capture different types of content. These modes enable users to create visually stunning shots that are perfect for social media and other online platforms. Easy to use. The Insta360 X3 is straightforward to set up and use, making it ideal for beginners who are new to 360-degree cameras. The camera's intuitive controls and user-friendly app make it easy to capture and share stunning content. Conclusion. The Insta360 X3 is an excellent 360-degree camera that offers a range of advanced features and technology. Its compact design, high-quality footage, and advanced stabilization technology make it a solid choice for content creators and vloggers who want to capture immersive 360-degree footage. While the camera could be improved in low-light performance, its range of features and affordable price make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enter the world of 360-degree content creation. Overall, the Insta360 X3 is a worthy successor to the Insta360 series and a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile 360-degree camera. If you found the video valuable, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of the upcoming tech videos.